Welcome back to Angola. I am at the AFRAA 57th General Assembly meeting and I'm with Eswatini Air.
We are a fairly new airline, launched in 2023, currently operating 2 Embraer 145s. Mostly our destinations are in South Africa, Durban, Cape Town, Johannesburg, and then Harare.
Okay.
Our future plans are immediate, is to launch into Lusaka. All plans are underway. We will be launching soon and publishing our schedule.
How do you manage that with just 2 aircraft?
We operate on certain days, 4 days out of 7, and 3 frequency operations to Johannesburg. On other days, we do 2 ICE a day. And we also operate to Durban and Cape Town 3 times a week.
Okay.
And Harare, similar. So for now, we are committed to those routes, but pretty soon, as the general manager indicated, we will be flying to Lusaka.
What does the forecast look like?
Yeah. We are in the market looking for a third aircraft. We want to retain the ERJ 145, but we want a long range now to meet our forecast. We are in the market looking for it. So we will be getting a third aircraft to supplement this too, so that we don't run into issues.
What are the passenger numbers like?
Passenger numbers are growing by the year.
Okay.
For now, we are sort of bringing our own customers, removing people from alternative modes of transport, mainly ground transport. Africa is leading in terms of passenger numbers because African Airlines are growing at a rate of around 8.8%.
Yes.
We are doing upwards of 30%. In a market that has been dominated by a single operator, our competitor for over 20 years. To carve out our own niche,
Yes.
we needed to follow a blue ocean strategy, and it's working.
How are you guys looking after your aircraft? What is the MRO aspect? Do you have it internally or have you outsourced it?
Okay. For line maintenance, we do it here. A check, we do it internally, and then C check, we have an AMO in South Africa that is assisting us.
We are currently investing in tooling. Our plan is to do C checks as well locally, and maybe provide some third-party maintenance service to regional airlines.
The Eswatini Investment Conference, one of the projects they presented was the new airport next to the airport. I think it was a whole air cargo terminal development. So I would assume that this would be a good option for you guys.
Definitely.
Yeah, it goes hand in hand with our plan.
Yes.
So it's mostly fresh produce exports, and fresh produce actually loves aviation.
Yes.
So that it doesn't expire.
It's time
So yeah, so it is in our plan.
Okay.
As soon as we get a couple of anchor customers, we can launch a cargo service.
Shareholders of Eswatini Air, is it 100% government owned?
It is.
Okay, and you've got strong will and commitment and backing from the government?
Yes, the government will promise you. We have to find other means as well to support, to sustain ourselves. Yes, the commitment is there. The government wants to see this work, and we are optimistic that the government will continue to fund this operation.
In the past, an airline is considered just part of the infrastructure only for most governments. Then COVID happened, and it became part of the security infrastructure as well. So the reason governments are investing more and more, even those who stopped their national airlines have brought them back, as you know, in Uganda, in Tanzania, in Zambia. The airlines were dropped, but then the realization struck. When you needed essential medicine and you have to rely on third party and they are not willing to fly to your country,
Yes.
your population could be wiped out. So
Absolutely.
now the reckoning is different, and the government understands all these issues, and that's why they are committed to this project.
Almost